Oh man, hey man, it's the Cooking General, y'all. Man, I got a cousin on the road, man. He had called. I knew I could call him back, but he on the road. He can't answer his phone. So he said he'll just watch the video. He just wanted a quick little tip. This is a Cooking General tip that he wants to know how to do this, and I'm gonna show him how to do it. They said he want to try to make some hamburgers on the grill, or you can put them on the pit, or you can fry them, or however you want to do your hamburgers. And I want to show him. He want to make a blue cheeseburger. They're real easy to do. And I told him they're pretty simple. He's like, well, just do the video. And I'm like, it's not worth the whole video. But I got a video coming for y'all that everybody needs to see. But let me first show him this here. Now, just get you some ground meat right here. Spank it. Oh. But anyway, get some ground meat, make it into two parts like this, and then you flatten them out. When you just flatten them out like that there, you just take your blue cheese, and I got salt, pepper, and garlic powder. That's it. You take your blue cheese in it, you put it in there, and you just want to flatten it down. Flatten your blue cheese in there. Like that. You put it on this side, and you want to flatten it down, just like that. And get you a little good amount in there. If you want that blue cheese taste. And that's if you like it. Alrighty. Now if you flatten it down, you take one patty, you put over the other patty, like that, and mash them together. And now you're ready to grill, fry, put it in the oven and bake, or however you want to do it. And there you go. That's your blue cheeseburger. You can serve with fries, hamburger buns, whatever you want to do. Now, we got that out the way, cuz. Now you can go and make your blue cheeseburger. You can put on there what you want, lettuce, tomatoes, whatever you want to do. But I think since I already had you got me to do this, I might be eating this tonight. But let me tell y'all what's coming up. Now, I have two channels. Now, I know people get confused about my two channels. Now, I don't know if it was a YouTube thing. I had no idea. I had an old channel. I used to do a little comedy before I got into the cooking, and that's what I did. And until I got into the cooking, and then it kind of took off, and then I started making videos, and they switched me to another channel. I'm like, well, I didn't want to get off my old channel, so then I started the new channel. Okay, so my video's going on my new channel. And I'm going to show y'all that at the end of this video. Stay to the end of this video. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. And I was doing videos on the new channel. So then I got a new phone. And when I got the new phone, I started recording more videos. It went back to my old channel. So people who's on my new channel who subscribe, like he's not making videos. People on my old channel who subscribe say he's not making videos. But it's these two channels in a balance, they fighting each other. Until I can figure this out, if y'all know how I can figure it out, if y'all can leave a comment and tell me how I can figure this out, and how can I put one video on this channel and one video on that channel, it'd be much appreciated. Never asked for y'all to even do this. But if you want to do it, you can, if you know how. Now, for my next video, future video, the next one coming. After you watch this video, it's probably going to be on this channel here that you're watching this on. Now, y'all see me do baked pig feets. Y'all see me do barbecue pig feets. But tomorrow, or whenever y'all see this video, it's going to be deep fried pig feets. Now, you never had deep fried pig feets? You got to stay tuned to watch that video. Oh, it's going to be on. It's going to be on. I'm telling you. Ask somebody. Okay, as you can see some of the channels I'll be watching on YouTube. And we get up to the top, and there's Almost a One, my channel. You click on Almost a One, and this is what you get. See, it's a new channel I started. This is my old channel right here. You click on that there, you go back to my classic videos when I first started YouTube in 2010. That's what I was uploading to. And then just one day, it wouldn't let me upload it to it. Started me on another channel. I don't know what it done, but I had to redo another channel, and I still called it Almost a One. I changed the picture work to distinguish the two channels. And I was doing cooking on this channel. Okay, then I bought a new phone. When I bought a new phone, I'll put videos on this channel, but it actually started recording videos. It went back to this channel. Now I can't put videos on this channel. I got people subscribed to this channel. I got people subscribed to that channel. I would like to do videos for both channels. Don't make a difference to me which one is which. But I don't want to leave the people who subscribe to this channel out, and I don't want to leave people who subscribe to this channel out. How do I fix this? So if you know, Just let me know, man. I don't have a computer. Everything I have ever done with videos has been with this phone. So just let me know in the comments what I can do. If I have to go buy a laptop to try to fix this here, let me know. And I appreciate you. Thank you.